Okay, so with the quarter panels finished, we're on to engine bay. This is my new favorite spot for the next, hopefully, evening. I'm doing some fast grinding. I've got to take out my DA sander and just buff down some places where the paint's chipped up a little bit. Any more little bits of rust, clean it out. Boom, boom, like fast, get her done. Natalie has already sanded pretty much every spot on the firewall. A couple of spots she couldn't get to, we'll get them done. I want to get all the grinding done tonight, get the sanding done, because everywhere where it's been ground, I've got to smooth that out. Like, I got to blend it to the paint line, and yeah, do that. I got a couple little spots for rust treatment on the, those are the fender mounts where the fenders bolt onto. And then boys and girls, that'll be that done. It'll be pretty well ready for primer, masking off the K-frame and everything, and primer. You might ask why I don't pull the K-frame out. Well, frankly, I've got literally a mint wheel alignment, and I don't want to screw it up. It took a long time to get it that way with my suspension the way it is. So, anyway, here we go, and follow along and enjoy. Thanks very much for being a part of this. I really appreciate it. Alright, well, like I said, fast and dirty. Needs a little bit more cleanup. Just literally cleaning up a little bit of degreasing and such, and I gotta get the Scotch-Brite pads in the last couple of holes. Like I said, Nat took care of most of that for me, but we still got a little bit to do, and that's the engine bay in a nutshell, man. She's done. Got my heater box finally mountable. Happy as a clam. I dressed all the holes. Got everything lined up with my old filler plate that I'd used to cover the hacked up hole that was there. Yeah, man, that's pretty happy, because other than removing the park brake cable and grommet and mask off the steering and suspension, engine bay's ready for primer. Happy. Have a good night, guys.